Hi, in this video, I want to show you how to convert these multiple rows right into a single row. So it will become X value, make, size, weight all in one cell. So let's begin. So go to the data tab and choose from table, convert it to Excel table. Next, we'll right click on this, choose fill down. And the next thing we'll do is that we will group all these right according to the product numbers, right? According to this, right, we do group. So go to group by. It's something like subtotal in Excel, right? So we go to advanced tab, and here we type in sum of stock. Here type sum. Here choose quantity in stock, aggregate. Just text in one line and do a sum product descriptions and click OK. And you will have an error, no problem. Just go to advanced editor, and right here we change this to Text.Combine, and we want to combine this by using a dash or maybe a comma. That will do as well. Okay, so that is delimited, and click done, and there you are, right? So xref make, then comma size comma weight dot comma make int. So that's what we've done, and then we can just head to home and then close and load it too. That's it. Okay, from here convert to here. It's just that simple. Take this, convert it to this. Thank you.